Okay, I am not a crazy tech reviewer or something like that, but when I see a product and it's genuinely good and helps me in the mission of making better videos, I feel like I have a responsibility to make a video about it to help other people who are aspiring to do what I do to be able to choose equipment and products that actually are good and meet their needs. And the Osmo Pocket 3 definitely does not disappoint. What you're watching right now is footage from the Osmo Pocket 3, and before I even get into it, just note, that head tracking is automatic. I'm not touching the camera, it's literally just following me without me doing anything. Now, for me to get into some of these features and to show you why I think it's actually a good camera, the thing is I can't just record on my Osmo Pocket 3 because then I can't show you. So I'm gonna have to switch to my computer instead to show you guys exactly how this thing works. Okay, we're on the computer now. This looks way worse. Hopefully you can see the decrease in quality, but the Osmo Pocket 3 will look something like this out of the box. Now, it's in its protective case right now. I want you to just take a second and realize how small this thing actually is. I mean, this is the most versatile, easy to bring with you camera of all time. And it has a wrist wrap, so if you drop it, you're not gonna destroy the camera. And one of the reasons that I wanted to get this is because I used to always use my phone to record. But if I wanted to record something high quality and I wanted to use my phone, I wouldn't really have anything to do it with. So that's honestly the main reason that I got this. And the fact that it's very small is really, really good because it means for that purpose, it's really good. And also when you turn it on, all you have to do is click this button right here. You can do it in vertical mode, or if you want, horizontal mode. And then check this out. By default, the camera will be facing towards me, and so I can record what's out there. So the camera is facing out to everyone else. But there's a little button on the screen, and all I have to do is click that, and boom. The camera now shifts towards me, and I can do vlog style extremely easily. That is extremely nice. But what's more is, let's say I actually just wanted to record YouTube videos on this thing. Well, all you need to do is just put in this attachment that comes with it, and boom, you can now set this up as a tripod on your desk. And if you need to connect this to a bigger tripod, you can just take this tripod extension out and replace it to as big of a tripod as you need. So if you need to record a performance, which I literally recorded one of mine recently, this gets you exactly what you want. So I know it was an expensive price tag. I was personally debating whether or not this was worth it. But after buying this, I can say with certainty, this is like one of the best purchases I've ever made because it means that I can just use my phone whenever I want. And if I want to record cold calls, it's very easy because all I have to do is set this up. In terms of recording, everything is pretty simple and intuitive. One of the cool features again that I really like is that the camera will just kind of go random like this. But if you double tap on your face, it'll then start automatically tracking you, and you can see the camera just automatically follows me wherever I go and instantly stabilizes. If you want, there is a little joystick so I can manually move the camera like this, but this isn't really used that often, I'd say. And then it also has a zooming feature where you can zoom in pretty easily both in and out just like this by once again moving this joystick right here up or down. Another thing I like about it is that it's really easy to connect or pair with the DJI mic. So if you have the DJI Mic 1, all you have to do is plug in the receiver into this little output right here, and boom, now the mic is connected to the DJI, and that's pretty much the only setup that you have to do. And better yet, if you have the creator bundle, the mic will actually just connect Bluetooth and you don't need to connect anything into this back port, which means you can keep it charging as long as you want, or you can use it like I do to plug into your computer and just use it directly as a webcam on OBS. Just to show you right now, all it has to do is plug in with USB-C. It'll come up with an option saying webcam, and after 3 seconds, it defaults to webcam. And then just to show you this on my screen from my actual OBS, right now my Mac camera is recording, but I can just switch this real quick to the Osmo, and boom, it's right there. And then once again, if I want to, I can turn on active tracking. So if I move, it's right there. And now my camera is recorded from the Osmo, plugged right into the computer and on OBS, but so is my screen being recorded right now. So for a creator, I think the Osmo is no doubt one of the best choices for a camera. Last thing I'll touch on is the battery life, which could be one of the weak points. I'd say it has around 2 hours of battery life. If you're recording in 4K or 60 FPS, it might be a little bit less. But what you can do is go on Amazon and order one of these extendable batteries, and this pretty much gave it like 3 hours of extra life, so then it's not really an issue whatsoever. So yeah, that's the Osmo Pocket 3. In my opinion, this is one of the best cameras for creators right now. I only really make videos about products that I genuinely use and that I actually think are good. And so once again, the Osmo Pocket 3 absolutely did not disappoint, was one of the best purchases I think I've made this year. So if you are interested in the Osmo Pocket 3, I've linked the creator bundle down below, which I highly recommend because it comes with the mic. So instead of having to plug it in with the receiver like I showed you, you'll just instantly get that Bluetooth mic. So that way you can hold the Pocket 3 completely cleanly. And I've also linked the extendable battery that I use that gives it way more battery life that I think is genuinely very worth it. And back on the Mac, with that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.